Hello tech enthusiasts. Today's video is about how to set up and run your own network speed test server locally. The application used in this video is OpenSpeedtest. OpenSpeedtest is a cross-platform LAN speed testing self-executable application, which uses browser of any platform or operating system to run and test network speed, and that too without installing anything on the system. Just download the OpenSpeedtest and execute it on a system that is connected to network and thus makes this system as a LAN speed test server. Now on another system, open browser and open the URL listed in the server and start the speed test to check the bandwidth of the local LAN or Wi-Fi. So let's get started with the video.